Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make this very delicious oven baked spicy pepper chicken. This is Sizzler's style of peppered chicken. When I worked there so many years ago, this is how they made their peppered chicken. The spices may be different, but this is the method they use. They bake their pepper chicken. It is very juicy, very delicious, spicy, very easy to make. I'm going to show you how it is made. Look at those spicy, delicious goodness. I know you want to try it. It's mouth-watering. Oh my god, I'm very delicious. So to make the pepper chicken, you're going to need some chicken. I'm using chicken legs. You can use any part of the chicken you want. And these are the spices I'm using: ground ginger, sage, garlic powder, curry, rosemary, salt and seasoning cubes. For the veggies, I'm going to be using a large onion, 4 Scotch bonnet pepper and Fresno pepper. If you cannot find this pepper, bell pepper is an excellent choice. This pepper is spicy, it is hot, it's not as mild as bell pepper, but you can use bell pepper and atarudo or any hot pepper. So I'm going to remove the seeds. I'm going to use some of the seeds though. They are spicy. The first time I used it, I had to Google it to make sure it is not bitter. They say it is bitter, but I don't think it is bitter. It is spicy, but to be on the safer side, I just remove them, but I still leave some seeds because it's spicy. If you want yours to be mild, you can remove all the seeds. It's still gonna be spicy, but not too spicy. But if you are not using all the seeds like me, you need to add some pepper. I'm gonna cut the onion, and when I'm done cutting the onion, I'm gonna blend everything together. If you want to add fresh garlic, you can. So I'm gonna add a little bit of water and blend everything. Oh, before I forget, this pepper is really hot, so you might want to use a pair of gloves when cutting it. But if you can stand the heat, you don't really need it, but it's hot. So when I'm done blending everything, I'm gonna add 2 seasoning cubes, some ground ginger, sage, curry powder, rosemary, garlic powder, and some salt. Like I said earlier, use the spices that you like. These are the ones I love. Mix everything properly, and when you're done mixing, give it a taste to make sure it is perfect. So if your mixture is perfect, don't forget to wear gloves. I already told you it is very hot. This time you need it because you're going to be dipping your hands into it. If you're not wearing gloves, it's going to be too hot. Just rub it in and make sure every chicken is well coated with the spicy sauce. I'm not going to add any oil because this chicken has its own oil, fat oil, whatever you call it. So I'm just going to make sure every chicken is well coated with the spicy mixture, and I'm gonna repeat the process with the other chicken. So if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. Please subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so that you can get an alert whenever I upload any video. And the importance of subscribing to my channel, in case you are wondering, is for you to be able to find my channel easily so that you can get those nice recipes, and of course it's gonna help my channel grow. Thank you so much. God bless you for subscribing. And you can also follow me on other social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook and Pinterest. So when I'm done, I'm just gonna cover them and let them sit for 1 hour. After 1 hour, I'm gonna transfer it into the oven to bake for 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After 30 minutes, I'll bring them out, flip them to the other side, and put them back in the oven to bake for another 30 minutes. Special shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. I love you. Thank you and God bless you. So after flipping the chicken, I'll try to scoop some of the sauce and put it on top of the chicken, then put it in the oven to bake for another 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'll bring the chicken out, flip the chicken again, and cover the chicken with the sauce and put it back in the oven to bake for another 30 minutes. So in total, 1 hour 30 minutes. So if you are still watching, please like and share the video. Thank you. So this is 90 minutes after. This is how your chicken is supposed to look. See, you would think it was fried and covered with stew. So this is pepper chicken for you. So the sauce, I'm not gonna the extra sauce, I'm not gonna toss it. I'm gonna scoop the sauce and put it in the container. It's gonna serve as a dipping sauce. See, it looks like stew, as if it was fried on the stove top. So I'm gonna scoop the sauce into these little containers. Then when you are eating your chicken, you can dip your chicken into it, or you could save it later to add to any other food you like. I got 5 containers of sauce. Each goes with a piece of chicken and it's perfect. You can, like I said earlier, you can save it and add it to any other thing you want to eat. You can also refrigerate your sauce. So it's time for jollification. Let us see what we made. Wow, very delicious, very spicy. You need to give this recipe a try. I promise you it is very delicious and very spicy. I hope you guys have subscribed to my channel. Please don't forget to like this video, share it, invite your friends. Subscription is free and liking is free. So if you enjoyed it, like it, subscribe, and tell your friends to come join us. Like I said earlier, when you subscribe, it's like you are saving my channel to your channel, so that it will be very easy for you to find me whenever you are thinking of a recipe you already saw that you want to make. And also it is gonna help my channel grow, so it is win-win-win. Thank you and God bless you. So thank you guys for watching. Till I see you next time, stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.